This is a review of a negative ion generator, 15 kilovolt DC static field output. This is a powerful negative ion generator that generates a 15 kilovolt DC static field. In this video, I'm going to show you why this anion generator is one of our best sellers, with thousands of satisfied customers using it. It was especially designed for static grass applicators and flockboxes. I think it's appropriate that you look at what some of our customers have said. These reviews are a summary of reviews that have come from the several sites on which we sell. We have sold over 3,000 of these units. You can take some time and read through them. I'll go quiet for a couple minutes, allow you to read, and then we'll go on with complete detailed review of the generator. This unit exists because every static grass applicator that I had and those at our club just did not give me good results. They were too weak. So I had a powerful anion generator made for me and built my own static grass applicator. I will show you how it's used and how it pulls the grass straight up later in the video. Let's go first through some specifications. You can use an input voltage on this thing of anywhere between 4 volts DC to 12 volts DC. And you can do that with a typical Walmart, any kind, or even a battery. The output voltage varies with the input voltage. With a 12 volt DC input, the output is a nominal 12 to 15 kilovolt DC. Note that this is not a transformer. It's a static field generator. The output current of your supply is not important. The unit acts somewhat like a capacitor. It develops a charge and stops drawing current unless you spark it and it has to recharge. In real life, many of our customers use the 9 volt battery and they are very, very happy with the performance. There are 4 leads. There's a black lead, which carries the charge. There's a green lead, which is the ground wire, and then red and black that attach to the power supply. The body itself, first in centimeters and then in inches, is 6 by 3 by 4 centimeters. It has screw tabs to allow you to screw it down or use hot glue, your choice. In inches, it's 2.35 by 1.18 by 1.57. The base is larger, is the rim, 8 by 4.5 by 3 centimeters or 3.14 by 1.7 by 1.18 inches. It weighs 109 grams or 3.84 ounces. The wire lengths are 30 centimeters or 11.81 inches. I cut them back. They're just too long, but that's okay. You may have a use for a longer wire. Now that's what it looks like. I have another video showing how it performs. A link to that video is below. If you have questions, ask them in the comments box. The answer may help others. And you may know some people who might be interested in this ion generator. Share it so they can watch this also. And remember what Mike the modeler said.